Hey, Reg here from Nuts and Twigs. These vegan lemon poppy seed cupcakes are so scrumptious you'll be hoping for leftover batter just to savor its lemony flavor before they even bake. I start with room temperature vegan butter because it blends more smoothly with other ingredients and easily distributes throughout the batter. Add the sugar and mix it some more. Then I mix in some lemon juice, vanilla extract, and lemon zest. Sift the flour into the bowl. Here I added the baking powder, poppy seeds, and salt. I mix it a little before I add the plant-based milk. Mix it, but don't overmix or you'll get a dense, thick cupcake. Only stir until they're combined and no dry flour streaks remain. Fill the cupcake liners in a baking tray to about 2/3 full. Try to be consistent with this so they all bake up at the same rate. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 22 minutes. On the blog, I have instructions for baking if you live at high altitudes and have trouble adjusting baking recipes. Now, I like cupcakes that are sweet enough to eat without frosting or glaze, so I keep things pretty simple. However, for a nicer presentation, I like to top them with a lemony glaze. It's just a mix of 1 cup of powdered sugar with about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and some zest. It's super easy. There you have it, fluffy and moist, lemony, bright vegan cupcakes in one bowl. Easy to make for a quick treat. Visit nutsandtwigs.com and look around for more delicious nuts and twigs made delicious.